Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Gusto kong i-share sa inyo ang pinaka-latest post ni Secretary Juan Ponce Enrile. 3 hours ago na i-post niya ito. Medyo may pinapatamaan siya na politiko. Binasa ko ang mga comments. Halos lahat ng comments na binasa ko is kontra o batikos. Binabatikos nila si Secretary Juan Ponce Enrile. Okay. So, basahin ko ang post. I-determine nyo sino yung pinapatamaan niya. So much spinning. So much fear-mongering. For what? For power? For killing? For personal interest and glorification? For revenge and retribution? For just violent adventurism? What is really behind all this noise? Patriotism? Power? Hunger? Or just plain self-interest? Ang daming question mark ha. So, dito may pinapatama na eh. Bahala na kayo mag-conclude. Sinong pinapatamaan? Kasi yung noise ngayon may i-assassinate daw, ano yon, self-interest. I warn. Ito na, may warning na si Secretary Enrile. I warn and implore the people not to allow themselves to be led and herded like sheep to the precipice by alarmist adventurers who are pretending to be patriots with dubious agenda. Sino kaya ang pinapatamaan niya? Patriots with dubious agenda. Turning back would be too risky and arduous. Think and ponder very carefully before you jump into the abyss. Their premise does not support their predicate. Medyo malalim itong post niya na ito. Kaya lang, sa mga nakakaintindi, klaro kung sinong pinapatamaan. I-comment nyo, sinong pinapatamaan. Nanawagan siya sa mga tao na wag basta-basta sumakay o sumama. Dahil baka daw mahulog kayo sa abyss. Okay. Ito, binasa ko ang mga comments, nabigla ako. Ito, most relevant na lang. Halos 1,000 na ang comments. Israel Sebastian Ella Estrada. Our future is at stake. But your family's future will last 10 times a lifetime of an ordinary Filipino struggling to meet their needs in life. We are fooled by this administration. Crimes, drugs, and corruption is rampant and obviously established under this administration. Are you aware of that? Or you just don't care about the Filipinos? Diba? Ito na, patama na kay Secretary Enrile. Mabuti sa inyo, mayaman kayo. Mga ordinaryong Pilipino, kawawa. Crimes, drugs, corruption, nangyayari sa administrasyong ito. Alam mo ba yon? Lolo Johnny o Manong Johnny o nagmaang-maangan ka lang or you do not care about Filipinos? Matindi. Okay, may nag-reply ha. Absolutely true, sabi ni Ayanebal Seknas. Cagayano vlogger. Di taga Cagayan ito. Well said. Si Jacob Black, sabi niya, true. Agree. Si Arlen Flores Vallescas, very well said. Si Mayre Dolina, it is not solely this. Charles Racadio, sabi niya, welcome to Ngagba government. Aloy Diases, ito, grabe. The audacity to speak of patriotism, personal glorification, and self-interest. Indeed, suits you, Manong, less the patriotic you've been jumping all around to serve your self-interest. Nako, ito mabigat. Binalik kay Manong Johnny ang self-interest. Alex Pipito Bahaw, I regret of voting BBM. I was with GPE in EDSA in 1986. Alam, matanda na pala ito. But I voted BBM thinking he will do better, but it became worse. We need change or else our country will not progress. Too much corruption. Ay, maalala ko ulit si Katunying. All out support siya sa Marcos administration, si Katunying. Kaya lang, hindi na nakapagpigil si Katunying, nagsalita na. Talamak o garapalan ang korupsyon sa Marcos administration, ikot nyo ako nito. So, untapan, lantaran, korupsyon, talamak. Dapat magsalita ang Pangulo. Patigilin ang korupsyon. Kung hindi siya magsalita, ibig sabihin, kinukonsinti niya ang korupsyon. Garapalang korupsyon. Sana marinig ito ni Pangulong Marcos, yung salita na yun ni Katunying. So ito, tinasabi rin ito, corruption. Remy Gan, sabi niya, you know what's going on because you are a part of the inner circle. Sabi ni Jonah Droa, exactly. Ay, nasa loob si Manong Johnny, presidential advisor eh. Beth C. Coy, sabi niya, never again to all Marcos Romualdez and allies. Si Remy Gan, right the wrong. It is best you can do for this country in your remaining years. So panawagan din ito kay Manong Johnny. Itama nyo po ang mali. Secretary Enrile, sabi niya, yun na lang ang pinaka-the best mong magawa your remaining years in this government. Tede Betko, do we really have a working president or a Romualdez really running the government? Ayun, matinding tanong. Is BBM in charge or si Romualdez? Yun ang tanong. May nag-agree. Raymond Beneto Belen, sabi niya, it's free for all. Tambi and the rest of the crocodile farm. Mark Angelo Locsin, sabi niya, nakakaintindi marami sa atin kung ano-ano ang mga pinagsasabi. Delu, let there be a power shift. Too much incompetence. Sino yung incompetent? Di niya sinabi. Tayo na lang mo intindi. Marie de la Rama, in really sounds out of touch. Wala sa realidad. AG Alex, sabi niya, look who's talking. Yun na yung nagsasalita. May credibility ba? Something like that. Ron T. Picuñada, sabi niya, so much, yes. So much corruption and grave abuse of power. Si John Paul Ledda Bulusan, no one is to be blamed but BBM, Lisa, and Tambi. You know very well what is happening in the government, Lakay Johnny. So ito, may edad na rin ito. Sabi niya, Lakay Johnny. Mr. yung Manong Johnny. Nas Siles, sabi niya, loyalty to incompetence that does not make you honorable. Sino yung incompetent? Loyal pa rin ang Secretary Enrile sa incompetent. Yun ang ibig niyo sabihin. Eric Franz Pido, don't worry, Lolo. This will be the last for Marcoses. Hope you're still standing to witness again their fall from grace. God bless you and advance Merry Christmas. Dongday, Sir GP Enrile, BBM is not like you nor like his father. I had full respect with them both during the time of unity, but then things have changed. I hope we stick to our principles as we go along. Okay, so, yun po. Well-meaning yung post ni Secretary Enrile, nag-warning siya sa mga tao na huwag kayong padalos-dalos na sumama kung ano yung sasamahan ninyo. Kaya lang, yun na, halos lahat na nabasa ko against kay Secretary Enrile. Ibig sabihin, marami ang gising sa katotohanan sa nangyayari sa gobyerno ngayon.